Hey guys, it's Tip Simone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be letting you guys in on almost everything that you need to know about rice water since everybody has been going crazy about it. So just a little history about rice water before I begin to tell you how to incorporate it into your daily wash. Rice water was actually used mostly by the women of China. They rinsed their bodies in rice water, they rinsed their hair in rice water. They believed that the stuff that we strip our body of daily is provided back from rice water. They actually grew their hair out to be at least 6 feet long. They believed that your hair was your beauty and your strength. The benefits of rice water are amazing. Trust me, I know because I've already tried it. Rice water helps detangle your hair, makes your hair smoother, increases the shine to your hair, makes your hair stronger. It actually minimizes a lot of shedding. And just as the previous pictures of the women of China show, rice water grows your hair super long. Okay, so you're going to need something to store your rice water in. You can use a mason jar. You need rice. It doesn't matter what brand, you can use any type of rice. You're going to need something that measures out at least 1 cup of water. And you're also going to need a bowl to wash your rice water in. Now that you have all of your supplies, you're going to begin to pour out 1 cup of rice. You pour the rice inside of your bowl. Then you add water, and what you do, if you want to, you can just clean and remove the dirt off of your rice. Next, you pour the water off of your rice. Make sure that you drain it, get all of the water out, then you pour it back into the bowl that you have used. After you've removed the water, you pour the rice inside of the mason jar. Kind of got a little messy, but it doesn't matter. Once you've poured the rice in the mason jar, you add your 1 cup of water over the rice. Then you seal it. After you've sealed your rice water, what you want to do is you want to let it ferment for at least 24 hours. I just keep it sealed and put it up until the next day, and that's when I apply it to my hair. After it has fermented, you get your spray bottle and you pour your rice water inside of your spray bottle to apply it to your hair. I'm not really going to pour it in because it hasn't set out for 24 hours yet, but I'm just showing you how to pour it inside of the bottle. So it's been 24 hours, and what are we going to do? We're going to begin to use our product. So what I do is I spray the rice water on the ends of my hair all the way up to my roots, and I apply kind of a generous amount. Once I feel that it is enough, I begin to massage the rice water through my scalp, and I massage it all the way down to the ends of my hair, and it actually really works, you guys. Make sure that you all come back for a 2-month update.